Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today I am reviewing the diaper bag from Hafmall.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Thank you so much to Hafmall for sponsoring this video and sending me this bag. I am 23 weeks pregnant, and besides a couple outfits, this is the first practical thing I've gotten for my baby, and I am so excited. This bag looks awesome and I cannot wait. I really wanted something more compact and a backpack, which this is, so I'm so excited about this. And they are really reasonably priced, right around $40, and see the link below. I have a 20% off coupon code for you. I picked the black and gray one. They come in a couple different colors, a really cute rose pink, which is really hot right now. Let me go through this quickly. First of all, there's this zipper down here. And there are two little pouches for bottles or sippy cups and two little utensils. I found our bottle, but not the nipple yet. So this is like a toddler cup. And then on this side, it's a little mesh bag. I think you could even put an ice pack here to keep it all cold inside, and the whole bag is waterproof, which is so nice. There are two pretty sizable pockets on either side, which are sturdy. And then we'll open up the top. You can see there's a lot of room. There are little side pockets going all the way around. So I just got a couple things out to put in here. Like I said, my baby isn't coming anytime super soon, but I have one of my Aiden and Anaya's blankets. I mean, oh my goodness, this is from Target. I die. And then I have some diapers down here, but I wanted to show you. I've never seen this before. I don't know if I'm just new. But on the back, there is a separate pocket, and it goes right into the main bag. So it's for easy access things. You should put easy access things on top here and on the bottom here. So I put the diapers right down here. And then I can just easily grab that. This is really old, but I'll try to link something like it below. I definitely want more. We cloth diapered our son and plan to cloth diaper this one, but this is an awesome bag for even if you don't cloth diaper. So there's one pocket that's cloth, and this is where you keep like clean clothes and clean diapers. I mean, it's an owl diaper. I mean, come on. Anyways, and then this main pocket is lined and waterproof, and this is where you put soil diapers or, you know, blowout clothes or anything like that. And so you can keep your dirty laundry separate from your clean laundry. These are lifesavers. You can wear this as a backpack, which I think I'm gonna end up doing. And then you can also just carry it with the two straps. It seems like really high quality. I'm just so excited to keep filling this up as the baby's due date looms closer. And I'm assuming I'll probably do a what's in my diaper bag after the baby is actually here and I feel settled in and in the zone. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below. Again, there are a bunch of different colors, and I have a 20% off coupon that they are generous enough to give to my viewers. So thanks again to Hafmall. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.